Because I guess a lot of people are thinking that if the Fed start cutting, that's going to actually be a bullish scenario. Do you see that, or do you think that the economy is going to be going so bad that it's not going to be?
Well, it'll produce a knee-jerk positive reaction. So if you're trading the market, sure. The Greenspan came in on January 3rd. It was the first trading day of the year in 2001 and cut the funds rate intermeeting by 50 basis points. And I think the stock market was up 5% that day. Yeah, so, you can trade the market. Did you want to go long in January of 2021, knowing that the market didn't actually bottom until September of 2003? I should say September 2002. No. So nothing was in a straight line. You'll get a pop. When the Fed cut the discount rate in the summer of 2007, the stock market surged. Did you want to buy the market for a trade or buy it for good, knowing that the market didn't bottom until March of 2009? So this is what happens. The market will trade off the rate cut. The market will believe that the Fed has saved the day, but invariably, the day will not be saved until the Fed cuts the funds rate sufficiently to steepen the yield curve enough to generate the economic recovery. And that's going to be some time away. So you'll get a tradable rally on a Fed rate cut, but it's a rally you'll rent but not want to own.